Hey everyone, today, we're diving into some exciting news about Nokia, the legendary smartphone brand that ruled the mobile world back in the day. After being off the radar for a few years, Nokia is making a massive comeback, and trust me, they're about to shake up the smartphone market once again. Rumors are swirling about their upcoming flagship device, the Nokia Champion Max 5G, and it's packing some jaw-dropping specs. From a mind-blowing 200-megapixel camera, to a massive 7000 mAh battery, this phone is set to be a game-changer. And the best part, it's rumored to be super affordable. So, let's break down all the leaked features, price, and launch details in this video. Let's start. Features of Nokia Champion Max 5G. Display. A stunning 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and a lightning-fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, this screen is going to be a treat for your eyes. Plus, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. And let's not forget the in-display fingerprint sensor for that sleek, futuristic vibe. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get really exciting. The Nokia Champion Max 5G is rumored to feature a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a monstrous 200-megapixel periscope sensor. It's also equipped with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor for those perfect portrait shots. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is expected to run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core chipset, which is one of the most powerful processors out there. And when it comes to software, it's rumored to come with the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery backup. One of the standout features of the Nokia Champion Max 5G is its massive 7000 mAh battery. And when you do need to charge, it supports 125-watt fast charging, via a USB Type-C cable. Imagine going from 0 to 100% in just a matter of minutes. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. Nokia Champion Max 5G is expected to be priced at around $500 in global markets. As for the launch date, rumors suggest it's going to hit the shelves in December 2025.